with SoCo Customs, and today we've got another build for you. It is an electric vehicle, a 2023 Tesla Model Y. We set this vehicle up on the 1.75-inch Mountain Pass Performance lift kit. This consists of spacers. Now you might recognize the name Mountain Pass Performance. They are the title sponsor of the Grid Life Model 3 Challenge. They do a lot of handling stuff for your Tesla Model 3s, your Tesla Model S's, and things of that nature. They also have a few lift kits in their catalog, so if you have any questions on those, be sure to hit us up here at SoCo Customs. The wheels are going to be the 18x9 niche Vosso. They're going to be a plus 35 offset. Still get a little bit of poke outside of the fenders with that plus 35 and these bigger tires, which are, by the way, the 255/55 R18. They are the Toyo Open Country ATIIIs. All right, guys, Brian, SoCo Customs, give this video a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, give us a follow. We're gonna see you in the next video.